I come from a whole different era of RC boating. When I started, I had to make my own hardware. I had to join my own hulls. I had to make everything from scratch. I'm talking about all the hardware. I had to build my own shafts. I started out in the RC boat factory. So when I wanted new parts, yeah, I was sponsored, but I had to make them. The machines were there. And that's how I learned how to machine. This is just a lathe. But it's an essential tool to making RC boat parts. This is an Oxi-Drive that I'm modifying. I wanted more clearance inside. So I am getting it. I wish I had two hands to show you guys this whole procedure, what I'm doing. So now, if the bit has gone in so deep, I have to adjust the positioning of my head. A little more because it's neat to see the spaghetti come out. But we're through. We're all the way through. So what we've got in here now is a lot more clearance than the stock one. The one I just machined's on the left, the stock one's on the right. Just wanted a little more cable clearance for my adjustments. There it is with the collar back on it, ready to reinstall. No big on the boat, she goes. Yep, here she goes. So the spacer's in there too. So what I do is tighten this nut, at least finger tight, to get it positioned. And the beauty of the Oxi-Drive is this is threaded. It threads the barrel onto it, so you can adjust the length. And it's not a sliding thing where it can just slide anywhere it wants to. It's threaded, so it can be precision locked into place. All right, we are Oxi-Drive leg back on. Put our shafts in. Let's do some runs.